Did you ask about me? We love Scotland. Now it's becoming like London.
They have. Oh, okay. That'd be good.
So, do you want to go there? That's a shortcut, I think. But you can. Okay, let's walk here.
She doesn't socialize.
Volunteer, Did you ask about me? Maybe we'll go alone. Maybe we'll check.
Hindi non c'è, fatele.
You heard the guy. No, he said it's in training.
It's just not enough.
These stairs are going up, which are like shortcuts because it's like a mount. It's like a walk around the mountain. You can shots if you want to visit anything just anything that's inside. We love Scotland. What? We love Scotland. Wanna go? No. The milkman. There is Starbucks.
So you remember the
Hello?
You can see the sea. Oh yeah. It's amazing, right? Yeah. But it's still it's still far to me.
Por ahora no. No, pero ayer comí un montón. Eran unas
It's really have the fringe, you know.
Yeah.
Some street performance.
Yes.
And I've got to be scrapped.
It's doing some magic tricks.
You can buy those 3 things. Only if you are allowed to film.
I love him so much.
See, some people are so content.
Yeah.
Comença la visita al cementiri. Ens van explicar que la mare també li farà gràcia.
This looks really old, this one, this building.
Yeah, the ghost was there.
We went to the same place we were looking from there. And then we go to the right. I didn't like the walk. Yeah. They have also statues like Amsterdam. Statues.
Aspetta.
Anti-car barriers and metal detectors for events.
But it wasn't as pretty.
Wow.
Where'd he go? I don't know.
Huge. See? Oh yes. This is the bus here. We will be in that bus. Yeah, it's something. Jollibee. So many peeps.
Want to go in there?
Now it's becoming like London.
Oh, no, let's go in here. Raphael, no, one already.
Oh,
Yeah.
It's another old church.
Church. One church. Forget our church.
Men har just det.
Vorresti
Is there water? Is there some water here? Just a little water. Water. Outer side, I think, but I think we have to. Yeah, okay. I think this is what. Yeah. Because that's facing it. Exactly. You know what I mean. See now the view is good because I'm not facing the sun. Shaky. The gimbal will work. No, this camera is very stable. Which castle is this?
Edinburgh Castle. Again, you say in the video? Edinburgh Castle, bitch.
Edinburgh Castle, bitch. Yeah. She got nice red hair, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's the trash bin of Edinburgh. Edinburgh.
This is the problem here. So much walking. Can you imagine Richard doing that?
Kaya,
Like,
yeah, he cannot come here. We can use the buses also. So we can use the van bus.
I'm not going to get off.
people are looking for
whether they like or not, we paid money for our air ticket. Are you hungry?
Yeah, I am. What about you? You are. No,
Maybe not, we cannot. What's the problem? Maybe you can go there.
why me? Always bloody me. You never navigate.
That's the Ukraine flag.
Full of food I think we're back to the street, you know.
The long street there. Going straight. Oh yeah, we went straight last week. We'll pay. No, I don't know. If you're paying, I don't mind. Yeah, okay. That's from here. Just break the rule.
Place.
Nein. Das ist offiziell bei mir jetzt so der Arzt.
We were playing against.
Okay.
We didn't forget anything, nothing. You know Pilay? Yes. What is Pilay? KFC.
मैंने कहा 2 ईयर था अभी एक्चुअली हो गया रहेगा फर्स्ट टाइम
No.
I'd like for like a special student joint birthday.